Mastering motivation for improvement. Only one person holds the secret to the organization's operational excellence. Who within the organization is responsible for identifying and leveraging benchmarking and best practices to drive operational excellence and improve processes, and what specific strategies or initiatives has he or she/they implemented to achieve these goals? In the pursuit of operational excellence, it is essential to have a designated individual or team responsible for identifying and leveraging benchmarking and best practices to drive improvements in processes. This person or group should be tasked with researching, analyzing, and implementing industry-leading practices to optimize operations, enhance efficiency, and reduce waste. The designated individual or team should have a deep understanding of the organization's current processes, as well as the ability to think strategically and identify opportunities for improvement. Within the organization, this individual or team may be a part of the Operational Excellence Department, Quality Improvement Team, or Process Excellence Group. They should have a clear understanding of the organization's goals and objectives and be able to align their efforts with the overall strategy. This person or team should have direct access to top-level management and be able to communicate effectively with various departments and stakeholders to ensure that their initiatives are supported and implemented successfully. Some specific strategies or initiatives that this individual or team might implement to drive operational excellence and improve processes include: 1. Conducting benchmarking studies. This involves researching and analyzing industry leaders and best-in-class organizations to identify areas of excellence and opportunities for improvement. The individual or team should establish relationships with these organizations, conduct site visits, and gather data to identify best practices that can be replicated in their own organization. 2. Developing process maps and value stream maps. This involves creating visual representations of current processes to identify inefficiencies, waste, and areas for improvement. This helps to highlight opportunities for streamlining processes, reducing waste, and improving flow. 3. Implementing lean principles. Lean is a methodology that focuses on eliminating waste, optimizing flow, and improving customer satisfaction. The individual or team should be trained in lean principles and tools, such as Kaizen events, continuous improvement, and visual management. 4. Establishing performance metrics and benchmarks. This involves developing key performance indicators, KPIs, that measure process performance and establishing targets for improvement. The individual or team should regularly review and analyze data to identify trends, opportunities for improvement, and areas for celebration. 5. Conducting root cause analysis and implementing corrective actions. When problems or defects occur, the individual or team should conduct thorough root cause analyses to identify the underlying causes. They should then develop and implement corrective actions to prevent recurrence. 6. Providing training and coaching. The individual or team should provide training and coaching to employees on operational excellence principles, tools, and methodologies. This helps to ensure that employees have the skills and knowledge needed to identify and implement improvements. 7. Fostering a culture of continuous improvement. The individual or team should promote a culture of continuous improvement within the organization. This involves encouraging employees to identify and implement improvements, providing recognition and rewards for successful initiatives, and supporting experimentation and learning from failures. 8. Collaborating with other departments and stakeholders. The individual or team should work closely with other departments, such as quality, engineering, and procurement, to ensure that improvements are aligned with organizational goals and objectives. They should also collaborate with external stakeholders, such as suppliers and customers, to gather feedback and identify opportunities for improvement. 9. Developing and managing a portfolio of improvement projects. The individual or team should identify and prioritize improvement projects, develop project plans, and assign resources to ensure successful implementation. They should regularly review and analyze project results to identify opportunities for further improvement. 10. Recognizing and rewarding improvement achievements. The individual or team should recognize and reward employees who have made significant contributions to operational excellence and process improvement. This helps to motivate employees and reinforces the importance of continuous improvement within the organization. In addition to these strategies, the individual or team responsible for operational excellence should also develop and manage a budget for improvement initiatives. Establish relationships with industry associations, research organizations, and academic institutions to stay up to date with industry trends and best practices. Collaborate with top-level management to ensure that operational excellence goals are aligned with organizational strategy. Develop and implement a communication plan to share improvement results and successes across the organization. Identify and mitigate risks associated with improvement initiatives. Ensure that improvement initiatives are compliant with regulatory requirements and industry standards.